Hey, that's the most important thing. Even if you made $2, right? That's $2 you didn't have to hustle for. That's $2 you didn't have to stress for. That's $2 you didn't have to answer to nobody for. This is you and the cash. You understand? No middleman. You know what I'm saying? We all chase money, but we chase money through different mediums. You understand? But when it comes to crypto, when it comes to this trading shit, it's you and the money. So if you make the money, kudos to you. If you don't make the money, it's on you. Get better. You know what I'm saying? You can't blame your supervisor. You can't blame nobody. Because it's you and the money. We are literally chasing money. Like, literally. You understand? No explanations. You just making money. You just printing money. You know what I'm saying? Today I've made more money today than a lot of people probably will make in months. 5 coins to the month. You know what? I'm gonna make it 10. I'm gonna make it 10. And I'm gonna make it 10 because November, when I was telling folks to buy Bitcoin at $12,000, if you didn't buy Bitcoin at 12, if you didn't buy Bitcoin at 29 when it dropped, you're probably not gonna see a cheaper Bitcoin until you're probably not gonna see a 29,000 Bitcoin until the market crashes. And even after that, it's probably not gonna come that low. Right? I'm willing to bet everything on it that we're gonna see at least 6-figure Bitcoin. Right? When Bitcoin goes, everything else is gonna go. Right? So this is the time for you to start scooping up some long-term coins. Right? There are levels to it. Everybody can go on CoinMarketCap and give you their top 10. It's a no-brainer, right? Bitcoin is 1, of course. Ethereum is 2, of course. Then you got Cardano, which is doing incredible, right? So those are no-brainers. Those coins, Bitcoin at best, where is that to where it's going, you can probably 5x your money. So, easy math. In order for you to 5x your money in Bitcoin, Bitcoin is almost at 50 grand right now. So for you to 5x your investment by putting it all into Bitcoin, Bitcoin will have to go from 50,000 to 250,000. Which means if you put $1,000 into Bitcoin right now and Bitcoin grows to $250,000, that means Bitcoin has 5x'd itself, right? 5 multiples. 50 times 5, 250. I'm sure everybody on here understands and knows that you don't have to buy one whole Bitcoin. You can buy parts of a Bitcoin. You can own a percentage of a Bitcoin, right? So you can buy $20 worth of Bitcoin, $100, $50, $200, so on and so forth. So if Bitcoin goes from 50,000 to 250,000, that's incredible. But if you already don't own a whole bunch of Bitcoin, that ain't gonna do too much for you, right? So if you put $1,000 into Bitcoin now and Bitcoin goes from 50,000 to 250,000, your $1,000 will go up to $5,000. You understand? Whatever Bitcoin does is going to mirror whatever you put in. So if Bitcoin does 10x, your investment is going to do 10x. It's based on what you put in. So if you buy half a Bitcoin, which will be approximately $25,000 now, right? If Bitcoin goes to 250,000, your 25,000 will be 5x 5x. So 25,000 times 5. So 125,000. You get what I'm saying? Half of $250,000. Which is good, but a lot of people don't have 25 grand to put into Bitcoin and sit and wait for Bitcoin to go to 250 in order for them to make 125. So we are looking for certain coins that are going to go up with Bitcoin that has the potential to do maybe a 20x. So Bitcoin does 5x. There's the potential for certain coins to do 25x, meaning you can put in $1,000, right, over time, and you have the potential to flip that from 1,000 to 25,000 if Bitcoin goes from 50,000 to 250,000. Are we on the same page? Does everybody understand? You get me so far? So Bitcoin is the guide, right? The ultimate goal is for everybody to own at least one Bitcoin, right? The earlier you do it, the better. It's much cheaper for you to own one Bitcoin now than it's going to be in 6-7 months. Okay, right now it looks incredibly high, but in the future, you're going to wish you bought a little bit more. Okay, so with that being said, the Cardanos and the Ethereums and the Binance coin and the XRPs, I can see XRP going to $5 at the height of this bull run, right? But that isn't too much money. If you put in 1,000, you're probably gonna make 4,000, which is incredible. You're talking 400%. It's unheard of. You're not gonna see this anywhere. Not in real estate, not on the stock market, not in e-commerce, nowhere. You just not gonna find this opportunity anywhere on this planet, right? But there are better opportunities. So I'm gonna give you 5 solid coins, and you put in money now, right? Even if you can't put in a whole bunch, start dollar cost averaging. Buy a little bit every time you make some profits from these trades, right? So if I put out a trade and you make, like, say $200 profit or $100 profit, right? Take a certain percentage out of that and buy some of these long-term coins. You understand what I'm saying? Because we are trading to make money. But once you make the money, before you put all of those profits into your next trade, take a little bit of your profits and then buy some long-term coins, right? So there are levels to it. You want to own a little bit of Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin and Ethereum controls about 65% of the market. So wherever they go, everything else is going to go. So you can't really do much without them. So you need your safe level, less risky level. Bitcoin, of course, is number 1. Ethereum, number 2. You need some Cardano. I'll take some XRP. I'll take some VeChain. But these are the no-brainers, right? These are the 3, 4, 5x coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, XRP. I'll even make it 6. Stellar Lumen, right? 6. Okay, that's done. That's a no-brainer. Anybody can tell you that. You can look at CoinMarketCap and it's right there.